Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I, Miss Afsheen Aslam, teacher of Kars Public School, is again here with lecture number 6 of English language for class 3. Before proceeding, let's have a look on the syllabus of first term. In our previous lectures, we have covered parts of speech, nouns, types of nouns that are common noun, proper noun, and collective noun. Then we have learned about noun numbers, noun genders, and noun pairing. So, my dear students, today we will start a new topic, that is pronoun. So, my dear kids, today we will discuss about pronouns. So, have you ever heard the name pronoun? Yes, you do. You have learned about pronouns in your previous class. But here, first of all, we will recall what is pronoun. Then we will discover about the type of pronoun and its examples through sentences. So, before we go through pronouns, let's move towards noun. My dear kids, do you all remember that noun is the name of anything? किसी भी चीज़ का नाम क्या है? Noun है. For example, it's a person, it's a place, it's an animal or a thing. All these belongs to noun. So, मैंने आप लोग को पहले noun क्यों बताया? Because the word pronoun itself has the essence of the word noun. क्या मतलब हुआ इसका? It means that there is some connection between noun and pronoun. But what's that? So, let's go through some example. So here, as you all see on the screen, there is a little girl. Her name is Sarah. Sarah is a beautiful girl. Sarah loves her parents. Sarah also loves her grandparents. Sarah is an obedient girl. So, what we see? We saw the continuous use of the word Sarah created obstacle in the fluency of speaking, and also it becomes quite boring, isn't it? Yes, it is. So, in spite of using repetitive times Sarah, Sarah and Sarah, we can use or speak the same para in such a way. Like Sarah is a beautiful girl. She loves her parents. She also loves her grandparents. She is an obedient girl. So, it means we see the word Sarah is replaced by the word she. It means simply we can say that the word Sarah is replaced by the word she, which is a pronoun. So, my dear kids, pronoun is the replacement of nouns. It means that हम किसी भी noun को replace कर सकते हैं कौन से word use करते हुए? Pronoun use करते वक्त. So, there are many words like she which replaces noun like he, we, I, you, they, etc. So, a very proper definition of noun is So, my dear kids, pronoun is a word which is used instead of a noun, as I have already told you. And a pronoun may take place of the noun of a person, place or thing. प्रोनाउंस ऐसे वर्ड्स हैं जो किसी भी नाउन की जगह इस्तेमाल किए जा सकते हैं, अब चाहे वो नाउन पर्सन हो, प्लेस हो, कोई भी एनिमल हो, कोई भी थिंग हो, ठीक है। किसी भी नाउन को रिप्लेस करने के लिए वी कैन यूज़ प्रोनाउन। फॉर एग्जाम्पल प्रोनाउन कौन कौन से हैं? प्रोनाउंस आर ही, शी, इट, दे, यू, वी, इट, एट्सेट्रा. And in second case we can say that if they are useful words, because when we use them we do not need to repeat nouns all the time. अगर हम pronouns use करते हैं तो हमें बार बार जो है वो nouns को repeat नहीं करना पड़ता, as we have saw the example in our previous slide. ठीक है, हमने जो स्लाइड नंबर 5 पे देखा था कि सारा की जगह वी हैव यूज द वर्ड शी, ताकि बार बार नाउन रिपीट ना हो, तो उसमें भी प्रोनाउंस हमें बहुत यूज़फुल रहते हैं. सो नाउ लेट्स मूव फॉरवर्ड टू द एग्जाम्पल्स. Let's learn with the help of some examples. Let's read the following sentences. My name is Daniel. I have a car. Here, the person we are talking about is Daniel. But there are two more words that refer to Daniel, which are my and I. My name is Daniel. My refers to Daniel. And I have a car. I also refers to Daniel. So, the words my and I referred to the naming word, that is Daniel. So, these words are pronoun. जैसा कि आप सबने देखा that मेरा नाम डैनियल है और मेरे पास कार है. So, my and I दोनों वर्ड्स किसको रेफर कर रहे हैं? डैनियल को. सिर्फ एक ही बंदे की बात हो रही है, डैनियल, और कार किसके पास है? डैनियल के पास है. सो माई भी डैनियल को रेफर कर रहा है, आई भी डैनियल को रेफर कर रहा है. सो माई और आई दोनों एक ही नाउन को रेफर कर रहे हैं. तो हमने क्या कहा? दैट माई एंड आई बोथ आर pronouns. So now example number 2 is John is a good singer. He earns well. Here the person we are talking about is John, and the word which used for John is he. फर्स्ट सेंटेंस में हम बात कर रहे हैं जॉन की, और सेकंड सेंटेंस में भी हम बात कर रहे हैं जॉन की, लेकिन हमने वहाँ जॉन को रिपीट नहीं किया और हमने उसकी जगह क्या यूज़ किया? वर्ड ही यूज़ किया. ही अर्न्स वेल. सो ही मीन्स जॉन. जॉन अर्न्स वेल. मैं ही अर्न्स वेल कहूँ या जॉन अर्न्स वेल कहूँ, बात एक ही है. बट बार बार रिपीट ना हो, दैट्स वाई आई हैव यूज्ड ही. सो he is a word that is being used in the place of the naming word. he जो है वो naming word John के behalf पर यूज़ हुआ है. So he is a pronoun. So to get a more clear picture, we have example number 3. Birds are sitting on a tree. They are blue in color. What is blue in color? Birds. What does they refer to? They refer to birds. So, they is being used in the place of the naming word, that is birds. So, they is a pronoun. So, kids, the words that I have used in the place of the naming words are all pronouns. Now, here comes the type of pronoun. The type of pronoun which we will discussing today is personal pronouns. My dear kids, here comes personal pronoun. A personal pronoun is a pronoun that is related to a particular person, animal, or thing. It means when we talk about any particular person, animal, or thing, we will use personal pronouns. So, personal pronouns are he, him, or his, she, or her. It means that they can change their forms to indicate the different genders or numbers and persons speaking. So, let's see some more examples of personal pronouns in our next slide. Here we have some more examples of personal pronouns like they, them, we, us, I, me, you, it. They all are personal pronouns. So, my dear kids, now we will learn that according to genders, how we will use personal pronouns. So, some pronouns are used only for masculine nouns. Like masculine nouns क्या होते हैं जो हम मेल्स के लिए यूज़ कर सकते हैं. So, they are he, him, or his. Very good. So, students, some personal pronouns that are used only for feminine naming words. Feminine means female genders. So, जो female के लिए यूज़ होते हैं वो कौन से होते हैं? She and her. Here comes the third part. Some pronouns are used for any of the gender. कुछ pronouns ऐसे होते हैं जो किसी भी जेंडर के लिए यूज़ होते हैं. लाइक इफ़ आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट मी, ठीक है, मैं अपने बारे में बात कर रही हूँ, देन आई विल यूज़ आई और मी. क्लियर. अब चाहे वो कोई लड़का बात कर रहा हो अपने बारे में तो वो भी अपने लिए आई और मी यूज़ करेगा. देन इफ़ वी टॉकिंग अबाउट सो मैनी पीपल, हम बहुत सारे लोगों के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, सो वी विल यूज़ द प्रोनाउन दे और देम. देन इफ़ वी आर एड्रेसिंग समवन, अगर हम किसी को एड्रेस कर रहे हैं, देन वी विल यूज़ द प्रोनाउन यू. और इफ़ वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट अपने बारे में, ठीक है, और हमारे साथ और भी बहुत सारे लोगों के बारे में, सो वी विल यूज़ वी मीन्स हम सब. वी विल यूज़ द प्रोनाउन वी एंड अस. आई होप इट्स क्लियर. सो some personal pronouns are only used for singular nouns. अब सिंगुलर नाउन्स जब हम किसी भी एक चीज़ के बारे में बात कर रहे होंगे तो उस वक्त हमारे पास कौन से प्रोनाउंस यूज़ होंगे? सो वी हैव आई, ही, शी, it. But in the case of it, children, do remember one thing, that it is used for non-living objects or for animals. It हमेशा किसके लिए यूज़ होगा? For non-living objects or for animal. Then और कौन से pronouns हैं जो singular nouns के साथ यूज़ होंगे? They are you, his, him or her. So my students, some pronouns are only used for plural nouns like they, we, them, you, us. Oh, now most of you are thinking that teacher, Why we are using you in both the forms, in singular form and in plural forms, right? बेटा cause यू जो है वो ऐसा प्रोनाउन है जो हम प्लूरल फॉर्म के लिए भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं एंड सिंगुलर फॉर्म के लिए भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं. लाइक इफ़ आई एम एड्रेसिंग समवन दैट कैन यू प्लीज़ हियर मी. अब मैं सिर्फ एक बंदे को एड्रेस कर रही हूँ, सिर्फ एक बंदे से बात कर रही हूँ, क्या तुम मुझे सुन सकते हो? ठीक है, आई हैव यूज यू, इट्स अ सिंगुलर फॉर्म. एंड इफ आई एम टॉकिंग विथ टू पर्सन्स, कैन यू बोथ हियर मी? क्या तुम दोनों मुझे सुन सकते हो? See, have you seen the difference? If I am talking, if I am addressing only one person, I have used you. और जब मैं दो लोगों को भी एड्रेस कर रही हूँ, उनसे बात कर रही हूँ, तो एट दैट टाइम आई हैव ऑल्सो यूज्ड यू. सो सारे प्रोनाउंस में से यू ऐसा प्रोनाउन है जो हम सिंगुलर एंड प्लूरल बोथ केस में यूज़ कर सकते हैं. So my dear kids, here we end up with our explanation of pronouns and its type. Come on, now let's practice. So question number 1 is find out the pronouns from the sentences below. Here we have some sentences and we have to find out the pronouns. Number 1 is she eats a sandwich. So what is the pronoun here? Yes, it's she. Very good. Now, are they home? What is the pronoun here? Yes, it's they. Very good. This is their apartment. Who? Tell me, what is the pronoun here? Yes, it's their. Very good. Please give it to me. So, what is the pronoun here? And can you see? Here are two pronouns. It's it and me. Very good. He walked home. He. Great children. Now, I have piano practice at 5 o'clock. So, what is the pronoun here? It's I. Great children, it's mean you have understood the explanation. Here we have another activity for practice, that is use pronouns in place of the nouns which are underlined. It means here we have to rewrite this sentence while using the correct pronoun. So number 1 is the boy is playing in the bar. The boy. So, for the boy, we will use the pronoun he. Very good. Answer will be he is playing in the park. Very good. Number 2, Alia loves dancing. Alia is the name of a girl. So, the pronoun we will use here will be she loves dancing. Example number 3 is children are playing cricket. Now, children means so many children. ठीक है, so बहुत सारे लोगों के लिए I have told you we will use the pronoun they. Very good. They are playing cricket. Number 4, Neha is a polite girl. So everyone likes Neha. Neha is the name of the girl. So which pronoun we will use? She. She is a polite girl. So everyone likes. Now we don't have to repeat the word Neha again. Instead of using she, here we will use her. Now I am repeating the sentence. She is a polite girl, so everyone likes her. Clear, students? 5 is Anwar lost Anwar's ball. So Anwar is the name of the boy. So we will use he, lost and Anwar's ball. अगर जस्ट बॉल होता तो वो नॉन लिविंग होता. ठीक है, सो एट दैट मोमेंट हम सोच सकते थे कि यहाँ हमें इट यूज़ करना है या नहीं, बट अब वो एक पोजीशन शो कर रहा है कि बॉल किसकी है, अनवर की बॉल है, राइट. सो हियर वी विल यूज द प्रोनाउन his. Remember, in personal pronoun I have told you कि जब हम सेंटेंस चेंज कर रहे होते हैं प्रोनाउंस यूज़ करते वक्त, तो एट दैट मोमेंट पर्सनल प्रोनाउंस कैन चेंज देयर फॉर्म्स अकॉर्डिंग टू द जेंडर्स. तो यहाँ पर जेंडर बॉय था, तो हमने कौन सा पर्सनल प्रोनाउन ही के साथ यूज़ किया, his. क्लियर. नाउ द कैट ate its food. The cat likes fish. The cat animal है, it ate its food. The cat likes fish. Again the cat हमारे पास क्या है, yes, the cat repeat ना हो तो दोबारा रिपीटेशन की वजह से हमने नाउन को चेंज कर दिया it में, it likes fish. So, to get the more clear pictures about the pronouns, we have example number 7, that is Alina put the flowers in the vase. So, for the flowers, we will use the pronoun Alina put them in the vase. Number 8, my friend and I went for shopping. Now, my friend and I means hum. So we will use the pronoun we went for shopping. John is a cute baby. I like John a lot. John is a cute baby. I like him a lot. So I hope all the pronouns are clear to you now. We have the review of today's explanation. First of all, we took a preview of noun. Then we have discussed about pronoun with examples. Then we have learned about type of pronoun, in which we have learned personal pronouns with examples. Then we have learned that pronouns which are used for masculine, feminine and both genders, and pronouns used for singular and plural nouns. Kids, it's assignment time. Here is your assignment, but do you remember? Before starting your copy work, you have to prepare your index, write the date, and then mention the topic name, that is pronoun and its type, right? Then on the new page, you will write the date and you will make the title page of pronoun and its type as it's on your screen. Clear? Then you will write in workbook page number 15 and 16, exercise 2 and 3, and in notebook page number 30, exercise C, question number 1. You have to do 2 book pages. One is in your workbook and the second one is in your notebook. For your clarification, I am attaching the picture. This is your workbook and this one is your notebook. I hope it's clear now. So first you will make the title page, and on title page you will write in workbook page number 15, 16, exercise 2 and 3, and notebook and its page. उर्दू में रिपीट करती हूँ क्लास. सबसे पहले आप लोगों ने टाइटल पेज बनाना है और टाइटल पेज में जस्ट आप लोगों ने इन वर्कबुक ब्लू कलर से लिख के पेज नंबर मेंशन करना है. इन नोटबुक लिख कर पेज नंबर मेंशन करना है. बट बुक का काम सिर्फ बुक में होगा, कॉपी में नहीं होगा. क्लियर? नाउ after making the title page, you have to do this work in your copy. You will give the heading of exercise of pronoun. Question, underline all the personal pronouns from the sentences given in the picture. अब आप देख रहे हो कि यहाँ पे आपके पास एक छोटी सी पिक्चर है, उसमें कुछ sentences given है. ठीक है, एटलीस्ट 4 sentences यहाँ आपके पास given है. You have to write these sentences. Pictures बनाने की need नहीं है. जस्ट आपने ये 4 sentences लिखने हैं एंड यू हैव टू अंडरलाइन ऑल द पर्सनल प्रोनाउंस. इसके अंदर जितने भी पर्सनल प्रोनाउंस है, यू जस्ट हैव टू अंडरलाइन द प्रोनाउंस इन योर कॉपी. क्लियर? कॉपी वर्क में आपको एक और एक्सरसाइज करनी है, दैट इज़ रीराइट द सेंटेंसेस बाय यूजिंग करेक्ट प्रोनाउंस। सेम हेडिंग आपने देनी है, एक्सरसाइज ऑफ प्रोनाउंस। Then you will leave one line and then you will write the question and then you will start your work. Number 1 is tiger is a first animal. So you will write the answer and tiger is an animal. So in place of tiger you will write it is a first animal. Clear? Number 2, Bilal's grandfather is very old. किसके ग्रैंडफादर थे? बिलाल के। सो हेयर हम ही यूज़ नहीं करेंगे, एज पोजेशन शो हो रही है तो हम यूज़ करेंगे हिज। हिज ग्रैंडफादर इज़ वेरी ओल्ड। वेरी गुड। नाउ रेस्ट ऑफ द सेंटेंसेस यू विल डू बाय योर ओन, दैट इज सबा लाइक्स टू स्विम. Ali and Umar played cricket. Maha and I went to Lahore. Aliza's hair is not grey. So that's all for today's lecture. Students, listen the video very carefully and attentively and do your work in neat and clean writing. Till then, goodbye. See you soon with another video. Allah Hafiz.